Hey guys, Bob here, and today we're going to be talking about all the tires that we offer and which one is right for you. So we're going to start off with our Badger tires, and these tires come standard with our SUPER73 S2 and SUPER73 RX, and our Badger tires are available in 4.5 and 5 inch widths. This Badger tire is a natural urban explorer, and while the Badger tires do have a rugged design, the modernized big block tread allows for a smooth and comfortable ride. Next, we have the highly anticipated Grizzly tires. These tires are as well available in the 4.5 and 5 inch widths and offer a tread for those who want to push the off-road limits of their bikes. The aggressive knobby tread pattern offers an excellent grip on a variety of terrain, designed to dig into loose dirt and gravel with ferocity or provide consistent contact and grip on the hard-packed rock and asphalt. And as a bit of an Easter egg, if you look at the tread pattern, you will notice little claws on the outside of the entire tire, which is the inspiration for the name Grizzly. So the next tire that we have is the Troopers 3 tire. The Troopers measure is 4 inch wide, and they feature a hybrid micro tread designed for efficient rolling velocity. The tire was designed with a dense center tread pattern that extends the tire life, while an aggressive side tread provides a concerning grip. With good handling on the street, this retro-influenced tire is built to tackle any commute. And next we have the Lizard tires. The all-new Lizard tires measure a 4.5 inch wide, a true street tire made for the extended range of commuting, with good handling on the street and built to tackle the urban landscape with good wear over time. So you might be wondering which tire fits on your bike, so we made a tire compatibility chart located on the website that will give you a guide on what tire is right for your bike. So we hope this video has helped you learn a bit more about each of our tires and what tire is right for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below or contact our customer support team. Remember to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.